we are going to see the procedures that can be done electronically at the Ministry of Education. The easiest way to do this is to search Electronic Office, Ministry of Education, which I have already searched before, and we go directly to the Electronic Office. Here we have, if we are identified or if we identify ourselves with our digital certificate, we can have access to files, to relative notifications, but we are going to look for procedures. Here we have a search engine that we can put, for example, scholarships, and we can see how many procedures related to scholarships there are. As you can see here, collaboration, grants, and we can also see which scholarships are open. Right now there are none. If we do a general search, remove the text and remove open, it tells us that there are too many records. But if we put the text empty and put open, we will get 50 procedures, accreditation of Spanish degrees in application of a directive, consultation of grades and other student data, Archimedes contest, communication to universities of the result of the evaluation of research activity. Well, here we have a lot of procedures that we can consult. The most normal thing is that we know some word of the procedure, we put it here, and only the ones we are interested in come out. And with this we have seen how to look for the procedures that we can do electronically in the Spanish Ministry of Education.